Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing the rib option. It is used to produce a thin walled support between two solid features. So first, let us start off by creating a solid feature. And extrude this. Now we'll provide the support on this face. So we'll sketch on this. And now exit the sketch and activate the rib option. So here there are three options. First side, both sides, and second side. First side does it towards the left side. Both side, obviously it's going to produce the rib on both the sides. And second side does it towards the right side. So here there is no material towards the left side, so we can't use first side and both sides. So we'll use the second side option. Here extrusion direction can be adjusted, and also a draft can be created, and we can press OK. The rib is formed over here like this. So it's basically used to provide supports to weak features. Suppose this wall has too much strain or stress acting on it, we can give it a rib so that it is structurally stable. That's the basic objective of producing a rib. And as seen in the rib option, we can also give the draft angle over here. We can give the draft, and as you can see, the rib is drafted. A tiny gap has been produced over here. So it all depends on the requirements and the specifications you have to produce the rib, and you can input it into the rib option and produce your rib as per your needs. So that was it for the rib option. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts or requests, you can ask them in the comments. I'll try my best to address them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.